Thinking about dropping six figures on a Tesla Model S Plaid? Hold your horses, because this video is going to give you the cold, hard truth about why it might not be the electric dream you're imagining. First, let's talk about that price tag. We're talking serious money here, and for that kind of cash, you could get a lot of other amazing cars, electric or otherwise. Are you really getting the best bang for your buck? Then there's the maintenance. Well, EVs are generally lower maintenance than gas cars. The Plaid is a high-performance machine. Expect to replace those tires more often than you think, and any specialized repairs are going to cost a pretty penny. It's not always smooth sailing, folks. Finally, consider your lifestyle. Is this car really practical for your daily needs? The Plaid is amazing on a track, but how often are you actually going to be there? Maybe a more versatile and affordable EV would be a better fit for your family and your everyday routine. Before you take the plunge, do your research, compare it to other EVs and even gas-powered performance cars, read owner reviews, watch comparison videos, and really think about what you need and want in a vehicle. Don't let the hype blind you. So, the Model S Plaid is undeniably impressive, but it's not for everyone. Weigh the pros and cons, consider your budget and needs, and make an informed decision. Your wallet will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest car reviews.